Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes fix event ID 161 Volmgr error on Windows 11, 10. First method is type sysdm.cpl in Windows search bar. Click sysdm.cpl. Click Advanced tab. Click Settings under Startup and Recovery. Uncheck Automatically Restart. Second method is click Start, Settings, Windows Update. Restart system. Third method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set, click and expand control. Click Crash Control. Create new DWORD 32-bit value named as display parameters. Change value data to 0. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc /scanno. Type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. After complete 100%, restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.